So tired of scrolling through Instagram. I should probably get some work done. Maybe I should go work out or something. What should I do after quarantine is over? When will quarantine get over? What do I want right now? I just really want good food. That's it. Hi guys, welcome back to Sabrina's Story. So today we're gonna do something a little more different. Well, technically it's not different. I've been doing this on my Instagram for a while. I've been shooting my cooking process and all of that and making reels, and I've been calling it Sabrina's Kitchen because if you haven't already realized, I'm a freaking weirdo. I like pretending like I own a restaurant or something. But I decided to take you along while I was making my roast chicken, and I have, well, a fusion in mind, and I'm really excited for you to see it. So if you're new here, please subscribe. Don't forget to like and share this video. Lots of love. Hi guys, welcome to Sabrina's Kitchen. So today we're gonna make a Tuscan roast chicken. This is a recipe by Jamie Oliver and Gordon Ramsey. I checked out their recipes for roast chicken, so this will be a fusion of that. And if you check out this YouTube page called Kitchen Sanctuary, she makes an amazing Tuscan sauce. So what I'm gonna do is mix all three of these recipes, and it will be like a Tuscan roast chicken, and I'm really excited to see how it goes and take you guys along, and hopefully it will turn out amazing. And yeah, keep watching, stay tuned, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Much love. Okay, so to start off, we're gonna chop some basil and mint leaves. You can add any other herb that you like. We're gonna season it with some salt and pepper, and then drizzle the chicken with some olive oil, and then rub it into the chicken. While we do this, we're gonna add a teaspoon of paprika for spice. Stuff your chicken with some onion and garlic. Add equal quantities of white wine and water to help it steam well, and then into the oven it goes. I'm sorry, I don't have footage of me rubbing in the olive oil onto the chicken. While I was doing that, I stained my white kurta. Anyway, moving on. So for my Tuscan sauce, I'm chopping some onions, broccoli, zucchini, bell peppers. You do need sun-dried tomatoes for this recipe, but what I do instead is I just boil a tomato and then chop it and add it, because that way it's softer and it'll just melt into your gravy, but it will also leave a little bit of texture, and I kind of like that. Next, you're gonna stir fry your veggies and then add some white wine, cook it for a minute or two, and then add some chicken stock. And then we add some fresh cream. When you're gonna add some baby spinach leaves. I didn't have those, so I went on to use the regular ones, and then I added some basil. While this is cooking, you can add Maggi, you can add your herbs. I like to use thyme, parsley, and oregano. So I'm just going in to check on my chicken. I haven't let it roast completely because I am going to be cooking it in some Tuscan sauce. I cut it through and it was absolutely juicy, as you can tell. It looked très magnifique, superb. Quick question, oregano or oregano?
British, oregano, American,
What
oregano.
we're gonna do is add all your chicken stuffing and leftover chicken juices to the Tuscan sauce. Sanya went ahead and added some ginger garlic paste for extra flavoring. And you wanna add your tomato paste or your tomato puree to it as well. Let it cook for a bit and then taste your Tuscan sauce. You gotta decide how much of salt or pepper you need, and swad anusar. Add your chicken pieces to it and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. I've also made some garlic rice on the side. You could also serve it with some mashed potato or just french fries, and here we have final product.